up, you guys? It's your girl Jazmine, Tania. By the title of this video, y'all know what I'm doing. I'm going to be telling y'all, is this phone worth it or not? If y'all watch my latest video, y'all know that I upgraded. This is it. Is it worth it? I say yeah. That's because I had an A+. I upgraded from an A+ to this. It's different. The camera quality is different, and the little specs are different. It's the whole screen. It's Face ID. It's not fingerprint no more. I don't need it. But and also I'm going to be putting on this case, this screen protector, and this camera protector thing. This is it as well. Basically, I'm gonna explain why do I think this worth it and put my stuff on. So yeah, let's talk about the camera. So for instance, it's portrait in the front of the camera too, like, and it got the wide angle in the front like it do in the back. That's something that's better. The back, it goes up to, it's zoom in up to like 10. It go up to 10. On my old phone, it went up to 3. So that's the reason. Alright, I'm about to unbox this real quick. This is gonna be a quick video. But yeah, if y'all want me to do it what's on my iPhone soon, I will do it. Just comment down below. So I'm about to take this off. This case is kind of hard to take off, I ain't gonna lie. When I first got it, I'm like, how do I take this off? I don't even know how people take these cases off. Jeez. But the case I'm about to switch to is cute. I got it off Amazon. I got my screen protector off Amazon because I don't get my screen protectors out of phone stores. I don't do that because those are plastic. Those are plastic screen protectors, and this is the glass one. So I'm about to put that on before I put my new case on. Basically show y'all what it is and what it ain't. I should have got it before my phone came, but I didn't. But it's here now, and luckily my phone ain't cracked or anything. And now luckily my phone is not cracked. I did drop my phone with that case like a few times, but it's still not cracked. It's all screen. Yeah, saying goodbye to this case. Moving on to the next. I'm about to clean it off. I'm gonna get closer for you. And I'm gonna do it like this. Oop. I don't touch the screen. Rubber-dub-dub, rubber-dub-dub, rubber. And as y'all see, the phone is clear. It looks like I just got it. Yeah, it looks like I just got it. Place it back on because I don't like how it was lined up. This is the back. Wiping my camera off because why not? Looking new to me, right? Okay. I'm about to place it on. These nails be getting in the way. Yep, it's on. That easy. I don't know if y'all can tell. It's right here, protecting the camera. This is what the case looks like. It's cute, butterflies. And yeah, I got this off of Amazon too. I got this off of Amazon too. I will leave the link down below. So yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It will be in the screen right now. This is so freaking cute. And how it would look. This is cute. It looks like off of the case. I mean out the box. So let's put it on. This is it. Okay. Okay. You can grip it well too. This case is so freaking cute. Okay, now look at the sides. Let's talk about the detail. You see like the ridges? I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like little, like you can grip it. You can grip it. Don't mind my nail. I'm gonna get that fixed. But you can grip it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It will be in the description box below or in the screen. And yes, I think this phone is worth it. And if y'all want to buy this case, it will be in the link down below. And thanks for watching. I'm about to show y'all this case one more time because it's cute. It's like HD-ish. This is what it looked like. It's like HD in person, like it's so cute. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.